In this video, we're going to show you how to make a demo HL7 Plus client installation live. Now, before you begin, you must have created a demo installation in the HL7 Plus management console and installed and activated the HL7 Plus client console on the client server. So step one, in the HL7 Plus management console, review the features and activate your demo installation by approving the invoice. Yes, invoice. When you make a demo installation live, it is billable. So let's do that. I've logged into my HL7 Plus management console. You can see I only have 29 days left on my subscription. I have one demo installation. So I'm going to go to my installations tab. I'm in the live. I'm going to go to my demo installations and I want to activate the Harper Valley PT Clinic. So I click that. It'll take me right in to review my features. Now, I've been testing with this and I've discovered that I don't need two inbound ports. I only need one. So I'm going to set that back down to one, and it will show you all of your costs, including what it's going to be billed for today. You can see there's a one-time installation activation fee of $25. It only happens once. And with HL7 Plus, the good thing is you don't ever have to delete an installation unless you're never ever going to need it again. You can just deactivate it at one client site, and then if you need it again, you reactivate it at another. So I've reviewed the features that I want at this site. I click OK, and it's going to tell me I'm about to create a live client site. It tells me what it's doing. Everything's been prorated out for my 29 days plus a $25 activation fee, and the total amount for the invoice is going to be $31.05 US dollars. Do you approve and authorize the creation and the associated invoice? I'm going to say yes. And there it is. Now it says I don't have any demos anymore. Now I only have live installations. Now if I go back to my subscription, I'm going to hide the subscription report and show the recent invoices. I've got, see, all one. I'm going to go to pending. Here we go. There's the Harper Valley PT Clinic. If I click on the report, there is my invoice. It has everything that you need to pay it. If you're going to pay by check or bank wire, all I have to do is save it out in whatever format I want and get it to billing. Now in my billing profile, I have it set to bill online via PayPal. So what that means is that we here within 24 hours are going to mirror this invoice out to your billing address, email address, through PayPal. The PayPal invoice will be for the exact same amount, and it will just say it'll be a mirror of this invoice number. Now, how about the installations? If we take a look over here, this is very important, is the internet status. Look at the online help. See, if the internet status is yes, that means that I don't have to do anything at the client as far as getting it to update itself. So to check that, in other words, it'll update itself within 4 to 6 hours typically. But if I want to immediately use this Harper Valley PT Clinic, I want to go and set it up to run live, then I would remote in and refresh the data manually. So I'm going to do that through the miracle of putting you on pause. And voila, here I am on the client console. So I'm remoted into the client server. I start my client console up, and look, it still says it's in demo mode, but my service is running. The service will refresh the data automatically, like I said, 3 or 4 times a day. But what we can do here, if I want, is I can just refresh this. And now it's live. So I can do anything that I want to with this. Now, one thing I did do is I reduced the number of listener ports that it allows. So I need to configure my HL7 listener. See, now it says live 1 port, but I have 2 enabled listener profiles, which means if I come here and I try to install the Windows services, it will give me an error. If I try to run locally, it will give me an error saying I have 2 enabled profiles and my subscription only allows for 1. So what I have to do is come over here and disable one of these profiles, and now everything will work. I can install the Windows service. If I go down to the HL7 Plus, there it is. There's my listener service. The client service is running. And if I want to, I can start the service from here or from here. I'll just start it from here. And now I'm live in production with my HL7 Plus listener. And that's it. It's that easy. We've made a client installation live and then gone to the client installation and showed you how to configure the features to make them work. And that's the end of our video.